I spent most of my life running, from pain, from truth, from myself. Bottle, needle, pill, didn't matter. Anything to numb the weight. Every time I got clean, the silence screamed louder, and I'd fall back, hard. Took me decades to see it wasn't weakness. It was a wound. I wasn't broken. I was buried. But one day, I stopped running, sat with the ache, looked it in the eye, and it cracked. Grief, shame, fear, they spilled out, but so did love. And that's when I got it. I was never trying to escape life. I was trying to escape the lie that I wasn't worthy of it. Not anymore. Now, every step forward is sacred. I still hear the old whispers, but I don't answer. I've made peace with the mirror. And for the first time, I'm finally free.